Good afternoon, I'm Todd. I'm one of the technicians here at Pilot John International. Been working here for 5 years. Done a few overhauls on some HPUs. Usually when we get a unit in from a customer, we'll diagnose it. They'll tell us what they found wrong with it. We'll diagnose it, we'll hook it up, we'll run it if we can, if it's able to be ran. Sometimes they aren't, and they'll usually come in a condition like this. And after we get done diagnosing it, we'll get all the parts, put all the parts in, clean it up nice. If you choose to overhaul it, this is the process for overhauling it. This is a different model HPU, but it's going to be a similar process. We're going to break it down to nothing. We'll take all of the components out, clean them up, fix them to where they're properly operational. And once they get there, we'll put everything back together. We just started this refurbishment right here. And this is just the beginning part. After we get it back from being powder coated, they'll come over here and we'll start putting it together. Once we get it put together, get some new parts, the ones that we found that had discrepancies or were inoperational, we'll get rid of those, replace them, and we'll run it up to the manufacturer specifications. Once we determine that it's good, we'll have an inspector come over. He'll take a look at it, make sure it's good. We'll have another inspector after that take a look at it, and then we can send your unit off to you in proper operational condition.